Hello geographers. So in the previous lecture we had studied about hypothesis, geographical hypothesis, and today we are going to learn about geographical theories and as well as geographical law. So let's begin to our lecture. So let's see the theories, geographical theories. So the development of theory is the heart of all explanation, and most writers doubt if observation or a description can be theory free. To state a fact entirely diverse from theoretical interpretation is not justified. Theories represent generalization used for explanation. They can make precise prediction. The quantitative techniques can be used effectively if they are supported by carefully constructed theories. So theories prove that there is some hidden order within a chaos and the geographer. So task is the search for that order, geographical rules, geographical laws. So this order may be arrived into two ways, into two categories. Which categories? Here you can see empirical, inductive, and second one is theoretical, deductive. So let's see the definition of theories. A theory is defined as a system of idea explaining something or a system of idea based on general principle independence of the fact or a phenomena or a scientific statement. So in order to understand the meaning of theory, the difference between a simple and a scientific statement need to be made clear. So consider these two statements. Delhi lies across the river Yamuna. Second, is one find the big city generally located across the river in the world. So of the above two statement, the former is a simple statement, whereas the latter may be called a scientific statement, because the scientific statement are based on generalization derived from a number of simple facts, or you can also call simple statement. So if the form of explanation is empirically inductive, it generates original theories. But in the case of theoretically deduced explanation, the process is reversed. In this situation, the theory already exists, only its testing or verification is required. So before the theory is tested and verified in a real world situation, so it is stated in the form of hypothesis. So at time some new rules or some law is also put to test before it gets universal acceptance to attain the status of a theory. At this stage, it is only a hypothesis. Scientific hypothesis is a particular kind of propositions that, if true, will be accorded the status of a scientific law. So this definition of the term hypothesis, it is appears that the difference between this term and scientific law is simply a matter of confirmation. So after confirmation, it becomes a generalized statement or generalization. So let's see what is the role of theories. So first is it defines the major orientations of science. Second, it offers a conceptual scheme and classifications of the relevant phenomena. Third, it predicts the fact. Fourth one, it summarizes fact into empirical generalization and a system of generalizations. And last one is it point to gaps in our knowledge. So second, then what is the type of theories? So first is deductively complete theory. So such theories possess a completely formal structure. Their axioma are fully specified. So all steps in a deductive elaboration are fully stated. So the probability theories and the theorems in geometry falls in this category. So they are perfect but do not have empirical content. So as it is not actually required. In other words, they have perfect calculus but the text is missing. Second is the theories with systematic presuppositions. So they involve the refers to another set of theories. Such theories may or may not be deductively complete. So these are two subtypes. First is elliptical formulation and second is common sense presuppositions. So elliptical formulation means which are deduced completely but proof is not given, and the second thing, common sense presuppositions, in which the deductive part of theory is missing because it is technically difficult to give, deduct and prove. So then third part is deductive theories. They may be regarded as incomplete theories because the primitive terms of the theory, the deductive elaboration of it, so don't conform to the standard of formal theories. So the term or theorems have not been derived properly and completely and have been substituted in various forms. So accordingly, some subtypes. First is inductive systematizations. Second one is incomplete deductive elaborations, means where certain steps have been left out. So because they appears too complicated for explicit deductive procedure to be employed. And then third one is theories within a relative primitives. Theories with relative primitives. In this case, the theories don't make use of original primitives terms of axioms. So instead use only parallel terms or parallel theorems. So last type is non-formal theories. So they may be regarded as a statement made with a theoretical intention but for which no theoretical language has been developed. They are verbal explanation ranging in a sophistication from carefully throughout system of link statement to the kind of explanation sketch. So historians frequently use such theories. They are also called as verbal explanation. So next part is geographical law. So about the geographical law, so in some previous lecture you already learned about this. So the geographical law, the process of theory building and law making have become quite popular among the geographers in the recent past. So geographical law are not identical to natural law, which are universal in character and can be applied with confidence in any part of the world. So the law of gravity or natural law can be tested in India, in Europe or in America, so with equal validity. a natural law can be tested at infinitum. So in the present century, natural scientists and experts of social science have realized that while they can formulate the general behavior of any one people, confirm the behavior of any person seems to be completely random. So thus we have the principle of stochastic law, and which say what the majority of the phenomena in a question will probably do. So remember this sentence, the following sentence. Golage and Amedy raise a very interesting point when they said that there was not a single generally accepted definition of law. They asserted that there are probabilistic law, cross-section law, equilibrium law, dynamic law, statistical law, development law, mathematical law, stochastic law, and compositions of rules. The law of geography are not like the law of natural science, as geography is not an experimental science. So in other words, control experiment in a geography like those in a physics are not possible. So geographical law can be tested only in the field where conditions are not controlled. So like the law of economics, geographical law can be tested only if all the other things are being equal. So the principle of activity applies in geography, which means that every phenomena in changing in time and space. So geography being hydrographic means regional, and nomethetic. So nomethetic means the systematic geography. So has a different type of law and models which differs from the law of physical science, and in many cases even from those of the social science. So about the law and theories, you already learn about in the lecture of paradigms in geography, and as well as Cohen paradigm. So I hope you understood about the geographical theories and geographical law. So here is a notes for you in a simple sentence: hypothesis, scientific law, and then the scientific theory. So note down this, it will be useful for your exam. So thank you, students. So one more thing. So in the next lecture we will learn about the recent trends in geography. So see you in the next lecture with new topics. Thank you.